I've done the research and found you 5 apps that you can download and use right now to start to make money from your phone today. You don't have to worry about digging deeper to see if these are legit apps, because I've done that for you. So just sit back, get a snack, and make sure you watch the video all the way through, as I'll be sharing my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Mo from Wi-Fi Cash Academy. And if you're new to the channel, then I'll be showing you different ways of making money online and mainly focusing on affiliate marketing. I'll be documenting my own journey to financial freedom and sharing what I've learned along the way. So if that sounds interesting to you, then make sure you subscribe and check the notification bell so that you can receive a reminder when I upload. Now let's get back to today's video. So let's start the countdown with number 5, which is TaskRabbit. Now TaskRabbit is an online marketplace that helps to match freelancers with local demand. It's similar to Fiverr and Upwork. However, instead of catering to digital and online services, it allows consumers to easily find immediate help with everyday tasks, including cleaning, moving, delivering, and DIY work. So they have 2 separate apps. TaskRabbit, which is the main app for consumers looking for freelancers. And then you have TaskRabbit Tasker, which is specifically for freelancers or taskers as they call it. How it works is that you will need to sign up for a free account and fill in some basic profile information. Then you will need to fill out your main key skills that you have, such as heavy lifting, DIY, or putting together furniture. You can then list specific tasks that you would like to offer and list the prices per hour you want to charge. A cool little feature they have is that they include this little bar that indicates if you're charging above or below other taskers on the app. If you price your services too low, then it gives a bad impression. But if you go too high, then it can also put people off. You will need to play around with the pricing just so that you can get it right. I would advise you to price yourself just under the market price at first in order to get some jobs and reviews. Then as you pick up traction and experience on the app, you can slowly raise your prices. The app is available in the USA and UK, but due to its popularity, it's going global soon. Next, we have an app called Snapwire. Snapwire is a platform that allows users to sell photos they take to brands, publishers, small businesses, and creatives who are looking for images that fulfill certain requirements that they set. Buyers post a creative image brief called a request, and photographers respond by submitting their photos through Snapwire's website or mobile app. The winning photographers are awarded and paid. Aside from requests, Snapwire regularly runs creative challenges concerning popular image needs. Challenges are created by Snapwire and are open to the public. On average, you can make around $60 per picture that is chosen. Next, we have GigWalk. GigWalk is a mobile app for Android and iOS that allows you to find quick jobs in your area. A gig is represented by a pin on the map in the mobile application and can take anywhere from 5 minutes to a few hours to complete and pay anywhere from $3 to $100. Clients can then see the work that you submit through an app that they have in their backend. Some of the gigs that you might have to do include taking pictures of product displays inside of stores and answering some questions about how the store design was laid out. Next, we have Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards is a rewards-based program created by Google. It was initially launched as a survey mobile app for Android and iOS developed by Google. The app allows users to answer surveys and earn rewards. On Android, users earn Google Play credits, which can be redeemed by buying paid apps from Google Play. On iOS, however, users are paid via PayPal. Next, we have Field Agent. Field Agent is a crowdsourcing app for Apple and Android that allows you to make money by doing small tasks that include mystery shopping, checking local prices, and taking pictures of things such as landmarks. For example, a corporate office who uses mystery shoppers in their stores would at one time hire their own or contract it out to an agency. It could be relatively expensive and take weeks to receive the audit's results. Today, they can simply download the Field Agents app, post a mystery shopper job for someone in the area, and not only have it completed that day, but at a fraction of the cost. Now, in terms of how much you can make, there were quite a few members sharing how much they made online, which ranges from as little as $50 a year to $720 in a single day. So now, even though these websites are legit and you can make some money from them, they will always be side hustle apps and won't be enough to change your life. So what I recommend is something called affiliate marketing. It's a really simple business model where you're able to recommend helpful products and services to people who are actually looking to buy them. So in return for recommending a customer, you earn a commission, which is usually between 40 and 60% of the purchase price for digital products, such as software and online tools. You can also promote physical products from sites such as Amazon and eBay, who also have affiliate programs you can join. Now, if you'd like to find out more about how you can get your affiliate marketing business started with a step-by-step plan and guidance from multiple 6- and 7-figure marketers, then follow the link in the description and let me guide you through the process. And if you have any questions, then I would be more than happy to help you with anything. Leave me a comment below or reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. I hope you got value from today's video, and if you did, then don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who might find it useful, and subscribe to get more value-packed content on how you can get started making money online. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.